Welcome to Esparto Elementary School, January TK through 2nd grade assembly. I'm Mrs. Van, your principal. This month, we are continuing to focus on the character trait of responsibility. Mrs. Perez's kindergarten class shared how they can show responsibility in a Zoom class. Have our packet and materials ready when Zoom starts. Delaney. Log in on time each morning. Owen. Do independent work in Class Dojo and Lexia. Earn dojo points. Davina. Raise my hand to speak. Everly. You can also show responsibility at home. Charge your computer. Nena. Sleep 100% well at night. Elena. Drink water. Sebastian. Eat an apple. Eat protein. Violet. Set up your laptop on a desk. Ashley. Brush your teeth. Get dressed. Everly. Turn in work on time. Mateo. Responsibility means being dependable, making good choices, and taking accountability for your actions. A responsible citizen looks out for the well-being of others and understands we all have a part to play in making the world a better place. Let's see who has been responsible this month. In Miss Rodriguez's class, we have Charles. In Miss Lockett's TK class, Brian and McCoy. In Mrs. Perez's kindergarten class, Violet. Mrs. Perez's kindergarten class, Joshua. Mrs. Perez's kindergarten class, Valentina. Mrs. Perez's kindergarten class, Giovanni. Mrs. Perez's kindergarten class, Delaney. In Mr. Pataki's kindergarten class, Lautaro. Mr. Pataki's class, Hunter. In Mrs. Valentine's kindergarten class, Ramiro. Mrs. Valentine's kindergarten class, Frankie. In Mrs. Robles' first grade class, Vanessa. Miss Ringer's first grade class, Junior. Miss Ringer's first grade class, Ashley. Miss Anderson's first grade class, Kelly. Miss Anderson's class, Amari. In Miss Fallback's second grade class, Annalise. Miss Fallback's second grade class, Giovanni. Miss Fallback's second grade class, Madison. Miss Fallback's second grade class, Yael. Mrs. Scott's class, Eloy. Mrs. Scott's class, Jocelyn. In Mrs. Calderon's class, Francisco. Now let's see who has leveled up on Lexia. Mrs. Rodriguez's class, Brianna, Michaela. Good job. In Mrs. Lockett's class, Selena. In Mrs. Perez's class, Giovanni, Delaney, and Alicia. and Violet. In Mr. Pataki's class, Antonio, Nicole, Emily, Elissa, Sarah. In Mrs. Valentine's class, Paxton, Damien, Ramiro, Daniel M., Miles, and Frankie. In Mrs. Robles' first grade class, Mario, Emma, Damien, Vanessa, Italia. In Miss Ringer's first grade class, Aaliyah, Junior. In Mrs. Anderson's first grade class, Anthony, Camila, Coraline, Edwin, Linda, Juliana, Luis, Amari, and Liam has passed 2 levels. In Ms. Anderson's class, she'd also like to recognize her Raz Kids All-Stars: Camila, Imari, Easton, Liam, Edwin, Luis, Esteban, Mateo, Isaac, Juliana, Kelly, and Linda. Way to go. In Miss Fallbeck's second grade class, Daniel, Madison, Dylan, Mariah, Emily, Natasha, Fernando, Nathalie, Julian, and Yael. In Mrs. Scott's second grade class, Joey, Julian, Camila, Jacob, Jasmine, and Pedro. In Mrs. Calderon's second grade class, Roberto, Francisco, and Nevaeh. Way to go on passing levels in Lexia, boys and girls. Let's see who has been rocking math. In Miss Rodriguez's class, she's recognized students for who is counting money with coins: Michaela, Giuliani, Alvaro, Nathan, and Sammy. Way to go. In Miss Lockett's TK class, these students know all 4 shapes: Brian, Selena, Michael, Genevieve, McKenna. Way to go. In Mrs. Perez's class, math achievements, students who can count to 100: LaShawn, Andre, Shay, Joshua, Owen, Anthony, Jimena, Sebastian. Good job. Mr. Bataki's class, students who can recognize numbers 1 through 30: Hunter, Antonio, Elissa. Good job. Mrs. Valentine's kindergarten class, students who can count to 100: Frankie, Daniel M. Good job. Miss Robles' class, students who have been doing well with IXL: Elias, Kylie, Sophia, Vanessa, and in Miss Ringer's class, students who are doing well in IXL: Daniela, Daniel, Xander, Ava, Junior, Aaliyah, Tara, Ashley. Way to go. Students in Miss Anderson's class, with success in IXL for January. Edwin, Liam, Victoria, Linda, Esteban, Luis, and Easton. Great job, Mrs. Anderson's class. Miss Fallbeck's class. Daniel, Kelviante, Melissa, Riley, Sophia, and Yael. In Mrs. Scott's class, IXL Rock Stars for the month of January, we have Hector, Jasmine, Samantha, Jacob, Eileen, Yahaira, Jose, and Pedro, and Cash. Good job. In Mrs. Calderon's second grade class, Francisco, Jocelyn, Sophia, Jorge, and Malia. Way to go. We are so proud of our students for showing responsibility this month, working hard on Lexia, and excelling in mathematics. Have a wonderful day.